Good evening, students. Good evening. Yeah, good evening, Sunita. Good evening, Susma. Yeah, my voice is audible. Okay, okay. Yeah, good evening, Dennis. Good evening, Chinmay. Good evening to all. Yeah, good evening, Gayatri. Okay, I just share the screen today. Okay, so my screen is visible, right? It's visible to all. Yeah, good evening, good evening. Yeah, it's visible, right? Yeah, okay. So the last 1 week we discussed about SEO. Then what is SEO? Then on-page, technical SEO, then off-page SEO, then local SEO. Okay, then analytics. So those things cover. Today it's right. Discuss about the on-page, technical, and off-page. We are using some tools. The tools we are discussing about this. Okay. Yeah, it's visible. Okay. So SEO auditing for any businesses. For example, if you work for any new businesses, the first step you need to audit the website. Auditing the website is important. Okay, that is important. So in this session, we discussed about what are the tools we discussed for this auditing in on page, off page, content, and UX aspects, and also some SEO auditing techniques also. We discussed about some Google Analytics. We already discussed about Google Analytics tool, but here we need to check some of the tools, Google Analytics, Semrush, and Ahref tools also. Okay, we can see one by one. So SEO auditing is the process of evaluating your website search engine optimization performance to identify strengths, weakness, and opportunities for improvement. Okay. For example, if you're having any new website, your business website, you want to rank in Google. For rank in Google, you need follow some steps like that on page technical SEO, like some steps to follow, right? So that checklist you need to check here. Multiple checklists you need to check for every website. If any website you are having, you used to check this website. For example, your website is having, you need to check for every aspects technical, on page, and also off page backlinking. Everything you can check here. Okay, so it involves analyzing various factors that influence the website ability to rank on search engines like Google. If you want to rank on search engines, so you need to check various factors for every website. It is for a static site, dynamic site, any website, you can check for this factors only. So the only you can satisfy these factors only, then only you can get ranked in Google. Okay, we can see one by one factors. The first factor is it's for any website we need to check for website age. Okay, website age checker. For example, how long this website is there. So you need to check website age checker. Okay, just check website age checker. There will be the multiple sites will be coming. So any sites you can go there. So the duplicate checker, a smaller SEO tools, DNS propagation, SE ranking, any tools. I'm going for smaller SEO. So currently I want to check for this site. Okay, this site. So just copy this site. So I want to check the domain age. Okay. So just copy here and put here. Okay. If you want to check multiple websites also, you can check. But I've just up to 10 URLs you can check here. Okay. So I just give developer on 10.com. I just check domain age. It's struck. Just a minute. It's not working. Oh, just a minute. Sorry. So again, I'm checking this. So website age checker. So any website, which go for this website. Just giving this website copy here. Checking for check domain age. So it's loading. See here. This website is about 11 years, 3 days. 11 years, 3 days. So this website's old. This website started 11 years, 3 days. Okay. So when it was started, this domain created on this data also we need to check. 36 2014. So this domain, right? This domain was created once launched, once created in here. It's around 36 2014, 36 2014, and their expiration date, every domain have some expiration date, so they need to renewal on 36 2026. After 1 year, the developer and then to renewal this. So this data we need to check first. We need to check for what is the age for the business, when it was created, and when it is for the expiration date. For any business, we need to check the first three data for this. Okay, so website age, domain created, domain expiration. So here you can give multiple websites also. If you want to give multiple website, I'm giving for so just giving for the same this website also. So if you want to copy this, Amazon, which is for Amazon. So any website you want to check, you just put in chat. I just add that also. So just Amazon.in. You just put in Amazon.in. So that I add a multiple. Okay. Okay, we have to buy domain. Yeah, if you have any website, you need to buy domain. Yeah, Isa, buy domain. You must buy domain from GoDaddy. This is the website you can buy. If you have purchased any domain for this, you just for GoDaddy.com. Here you can buy. You can search also here. If you want to search for any similar business, any business, you can search in it. For example, Money Bakery. If you're searching for the domain for Money Bakery, you can searching for this. Like what you can search searching domains. So if it is available, you can take. Say it's moneybakery.com is available. So like that, you can check for any. Okay, Lotion Electricals. I'm searching for this. So like that, which domain you want to add, you can actually this is paid already. This domain has been taken. Okay, so it's around big fee. Okay, so like that, if for any domain you want to buy, you can come to GoDaddy and buy the domain here. Clear? Yeah. So Gayatri is telling LG. Okay, we add LG also. Any one domain? One more domain? Anyone? Okay. Okay, just check it this. Okay, okay. This tool domain age. So I'm just checking this check domain age. Think it's having some issues. Just a minute. So this is the LG website. I think LG is correct only. Website is correct. So I'm randomly checking for LG. See, LG, it's not visible actually. His data is wrong. Actually, they are hide the data. Some websites are hiding the data, so this is not visible for it. So some other data I'm checking for Amazon. I think mostly Amazon also better. I will hiding the data. I think. I think this server is issue. We can change some other data. Website age checker. Okay. It's the age checker. You can check this SEO optimal. You can check and copy here. So we can check many tools. There will be many tools will be there. You can check for any other tools. If some tool is not working, you can go for another tool. I think it is also getting loading so much time. Yeah. See, the results will be hidden. See, it's mostly this type of instructions will be hide by this domain. So it's not available means mostly they are hiding this data. So when you any other check, you can check the normal. If you pay for it, you can get the data here. But if any normal website, you can check and get the data. So I'm getting the normal website. Any small business website. See here. Yeah, it's showing date. So they are not hiding the data. It's 2 years to 88 days. It's launched in 2022. The domain updated date is 15. Expect date is not available. They're hiding this date. So like that you can check for any other data. Okay. So like that, the first important thing is you need to check for website age and domain creation when it was created and it was expired. That is the first checklist. Okay. Next, on-page SEO audit. We already discussed about on-page things. Here we can check for on-page SEO audit. The first one is title tags. We already discussed about this. So title tag in the sense we for any website, the title will be this is the title. You go to this page. So this is the title. So this is the title. Okay, the Drupal development is the title. So you can check for title tags also. For title tags, you go for this. Check for title tags checker. So title tags checker. There will be multiple tools will be there. So you can check it check here title tags we check here. This is the data for every website we need to check. So I'm checking for SC ranking. Here you can give the URL for specific URL. I'm giving for this Drupal development page. So just copy this and pasting here and just analyze here. The first checklist I need to check after this website age, it's title only. For every page, the title is needed. Okay. See here, this title is 65 characters. We already told about this. It's 60 to 70 characters, so it will be okay. The description is 160 characters, so that is also okay. So here it will be correct. So first checklist for this title you take screenshot and description you take screenshot. Likewise, you are taking for entire pages. If you are working for multiple websites, if you are working for a larger websites, you individually go to every page and check. What is about Node.js development? What is about PHP development? What is about mobile development? If you go to separate pages, every page will be different, right? So you need to check for individual pages also. I just copy this Control C, and again I am putting here. So you need to check the data for individual pages, every pages. Say uncollected data also. Then only you need to get submit the report. See here, this is completely changed. So here character is 40. So this is they are giving one title and description is 150. It's correct only, but we need to optimize something. Here title is very less. 40 is very less. If between 50 to 60, it will be better. So 40 is very less. So we need to optimize like this. So try to go for some other any other thing. Go to WordPress development company. So every page is different. Every page title and description is different. So just copy here and putting analyzing. I think it's loading. See here, it's about 57. So it's good. Its title will be there, and description is 158. So likewise, we can check for every title and description for pages. Title and description is the primary thing for every website we need to check. Here around there will be here around this much of pages will be there, and tech pool they're having multiple pages will be there. We need to check for every page title and description for this website, for any website. For auditing, we need to check that. Then only we get a proper report. So the first one is title tag and descriptions. Okay, we check for characters, how much characters we are having, that we need to check. Okay, then we go for URL structure. URL structure in the sense, if you go for we need to check for URL structure also. Just type URL checker. So if you go to URL checker, there will be you need to check for SEO friendly URL. Your website must be SEO friendly or not. You just type here, choosing there, because if your website is SEO friendly only, then will be you are ranking in Google. So here you can give your website. Any website you can give. Just putting this and check for this. This website is SEO friendly or not. We need to check this. See here, it shows that some of your links URLs do not appear friendly to humans or search engines. Okay, some of your URLs because some URLs does not be appear to search engine friendly. So what are the URLs? Here there will be a list of the URLs. So these URLs are not SEO friendly. These URLs are not SEO friendly. So we need to optimize this. If it is SEO friendly only, then only Google, it will be ranked in Google. So they can list some of the URLs. So if you just click this and copy this and go to the website, see iOS app development. I think this is some issue with this. They can tell. So like that, it will be showing multiple things. SEO friendly URL. Its X mark is completely about it's not available. The URL friendly is not available. So it's showing that. So like that, we can check for any other data. So SEO friendly, we need to check for every data. You go for Google and check for URL checker. You check for a URL checker, then only if it is SEO friendly or not. You can check for any website the same process only. So I'm checking for some other website. I think around the maximum reports. So this is only three per day. It will be three version only. It will be free. So you can go for some other. Check this. Can give this URL here. It shows this. This is about safe. The same URL is safe that this URL is safe or not. If it is safe, it shows that safe. If it's not safe, it shows here itself. So if this link is safe, that we can check here. So like that, URL we need to check URL is safe, URL is SEO friendly. The everything we can check for NordVPN and this URL checker also. So these metric you can check from this URL structure itself. Okay, URL structure we need to check for this SEO friendly items also. It is important here. Samsung, okay, HTTPS pixlife.com. Okay, somebody searching for pixlife. Oh, Samsung. Okay. I think I can check for next data. Okay, next header tags. Every page we need to check header tags. H1, H2, HT is taken. Okay, we can check for Samsung. Okay, so someone is looking for Samsung. So header tags. Header tags checker is just typing for header tags checker. See, multiple tools will be there. So now we can check for Samsung. Okay, someone is message for Samsung. So just use the Samsung. Just copy here. Just put in robot and give perform check. See here, H1 is H1 is 1, H2 is 2, and H3 0, H4 0, H5 0, H6 0. H1 and H2 are present. Mostly every page H1 and H2 is needed, and the H3 also needed. See, there will be H2, there will be Samsung simply they given. H2 they giving latest highlights, explore the stories. Then H3 is a 0 only, they will be. Okay, like that they will be given. So for every page the tax will be important. Someone is given plixlife.com. Okay, we search that also. Plixlife.com. Okay, just perform check. It's loading. The H1 it will be 1. H1 will be 1 per Plix Life. H2 is 10. They're having 10 H2. H3 is 0. H4 is 0. H5 0. H6 0. So H1 it's saying it's India's lead beauty and wellness brand. That is H1. H2 they're having multiple H2s. Free shipping on orders above 500. Free shipping on orders above 500. Get rupees 250 cash back. Free shipping on orders like that. Get rupees like that repeatedly they will give it. H2 best sellers curated for men about pics. So these are all the websites they're having heading tags. Any other websites need to check for this other than Samsung and Pixlife for heading tags? Okay, no, right? Okay. So like that you can check for the heading tags is important. Always for any website you need to check the heading tags. That is important. Okay. So what is the H1 there? What is the H2 there? H3 there? You can check that is a primary input. The next one is keyword optimization. Keyword optimization in the sense, for example, what keyword they're using for this. Okay. For example, if you're searching for any businesses, you go to Google and find the keyword. So that is important thing. You just to go to Google, type keyword planner. We already discussed about this. So we find the keywords. What are the keywords? It will be listed. Go to keyword planner. Just type this. So if the business is about, if you go to tools, keyword planner, then discover new keywords. Here, your business is about school. Just typing the school, just typing the school itself. What keyword you know, just type here. Then you just find the other keywords what are related to your business also. I'm searching for India. So here, if a business is about school, I just find other keywords. Here, see, this is the brand keyword. This is the brand keyword. I'm not using this. And this is also brand keyword. I'm not taking this. This is the brand keyword. I'm not taking. I'm using for general keyword. So British not, ambassador not. So these are the general. We can choose international academy. This is the common keyword we can took for this. Okay, international preschool near me. This is the keyword we can take for this. Likewise, what are the keyword general keywords similar to our business? We can collect the keywords here. So Joseph, IB International, these are separate. These are people are searching for specific. So we are not taking this. So only general keywords we are taking is International Montessori Academy. So like that, then these are the best international. This is also not needed. So like that, we can collect the keywords which are related to your business. People are sending normal general keywords. We can choose this. Like that, we can choosing the keywords for this. So what are the keywords will be there? You can find here. If you go for example, going for educational institution, just adding here. So any some other keywords will be matched. You can choose some keywords also. Okay, so for any businesses, we can choose that keywords is important. Okay, so keyword optimization in the sense, for example, with keyword optimization, title, description, heading tags. So here, if you go to this developer on Rent.com, here, see here, we already discussed about this keyword for this page, keyword optimization. The title, Drupal development is keyword. Description keyword is there. Heading tags keyword is there. Okay. URL keyword is there. Okay. But where to find this keyword? Find this keyword only through keyword planner or any other tools. Once you fix the keyword only, then you come here and fix this. Then fix this title, description, and everything. Okay. So keyword optimization is important for every pages. Title, description, and heading tags. That is important here. Okay, then image optimization. It's already tells we go for every image we need for some images new tag. So just type for all tags checker. All tags checker. So here you can check there will be multiple tags will be there. So here you can check for all tags. What are the tags will be having this? So you can give your URL. For example, Samsung. I'm just using this Samsung. Just pasting here. So I'm checking for any alt tags will be there. I think it's ended. Okay. Or tag checker. We go for some other tools. We go for tools array. Then I'm putting Samsung. It's loading. So here it's showing some images which are not having alt attribute. See, all image tags have alt attribute, so there is no error here. Samsung have all in Samsung website there is a multiple images, but all images have alt attribute. It's a good sign. So they will be easily ranked in Google. There is no error here. So the some other site you want, some other is posting, right? Plixlife.com. You can copy this plixlife.com. I'm searching for this. It's still loading. Just a minute. The pages has image tags with empty alt. Still, there will be many images have no alt. See, these images have no alt. Missed. So like that it will be going. So like that, the four images will be missed. Okay, so every image we need to give alt tags. So that is the important thing for getting alt tags. Okay, that is the thing. Then content quality. Content quality always be unique. Okay, don't be copied. It will always should be unique. So content should be unique. Those things we check in the last section. Then internal linking. We always discuss about internal linking, right? So we can check for internal linking tools also. If you go to any site, check for internal link and external links checker. So that is important thing. So how many links will be there? You can check for this internal links checker also. For every website, this is must. You just go to internal links checker, then give the any website. So same I'm giving for Samsung. Just copy this. So how many internal links will be there for this site? Sorry, just a minute. Again, I'm checking the same data. We can't use Optimer because Optimer we have tried many times. So internal links checker. So we go for okay, SEO review tools. I'm giving this. I'm not robot and give it a perform check. See, there will be around 253 links will be there. Okay, there will be around 253 links, internal and external total. Okay, so around 253 links will be internal and external links. In 253, four are external links. Then 248 are internal links. Okay, so it's reducing 248. So external links 4, remaining is a internal link. So like that we can check for this. So here it's showing what are the links will be there. So these are the internal link. This page is internal link. This page is internal link. Like that everything it's showing. So internal, if it's internal, it will be showing that. If it's external, it is showing that also. Like that here it's showing the multiple. These are the links. The 250 links will be showing here. Okay, so both are internal like this. So you can check this data also by clicking this site. So this is the here there will be links, multiple links will be there. So like that, these are all the internal links for this. So we need to check the data. Every website must have internal and external links. So that is needed for this. So that internal and external links only, Google can verify this. Yeah, they're having multiple pages, inner pages, they're having this. So that also need to check for it. Okay. Clear. So these things we are already discussed. Then the technical SEO audit. Once we done, we will focus on the backend structure. For every auditing, we structure for backend structure. Because while nowadays many sites are filled with on page, but there are many sites missing the technical audit only. So we need to give this. And many websites they are not aware about technical audit also. So you give some suggestions also. So the first checklist is website crawlability. Okay, website crawlability in the sense it is indexed in Google or not. For example, your website is showing in Google or not. We need to check that also. So you have to go to Google and check website crawlability test. Okay, just give website crawlability checker. So if you check for this website crawlability, so your website is crawling in Google or not, that you need to check here. So just for any tool you can check. Just give this website. So for example, I'm checking for the Samsung, same. Okay, checking for Samsung. Definitely Samsung is crawling, but first I'm checking the tools for identifying the results. Yeah, see here, It's showing that it's showing in Google. It's showing in Google. It's showing in Bing. So it's crawl rule. It's showing hello, 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 like that. It's showing in Google. It's showing in Bing. Okay, like that we can check for this. So like that we can check for some other site. The split slave, that also we can check. Yeah, it is also allowed. In Pixlife also, it's showing in the Google crawl, and Bing also it will be shown. The crawlable, it will be showing that it is crawled. Indexable in the sense it will be showing in the results, Google results and Bing results. Okay, so like that we can check for multiple search engines. It is working. It is showing in the Google or Bing, that we can check in the website crawlability test. Okay, this is important for this. Then robots are text. These things we already discussed about this robot are text. Robot are text in a sense, obviously, which URL it wants to rank in Google and which you want to hide in Google. Those things we call by robots are text only. So it's allowing the specific pages for the website. So I'm guessing for robots are text checker. Okay, so you can checker. So just taking for multiple text, robot or text checker, technical, anything you can go for this. I'm just clicking for this. So for Samsung, I'm just using for the check. So here you can give your, I just give the Samsung. Then here user agent, I can set Google bot. So now I'm searching for this. Samsung is having robot or text or not. I think it's completed, but it's not showing. Yeah, actually, they can. This is the robots or text for Samsung. So I copy this. Yeah, they're using multiple robots. These are the robots are text for the Samsung. So they're allowing many bots. They're deleting more bots like this. Okay. So like that you can check for any websites. You can check the same method. So the same I'm checking for Plix Life. And they are also having robots or text. So just copy this and pasting here. Yeah, they're having this is the user agent at star sitemap. They're having this. Uh, See here, allow in the sense they are allowing this. This is allowing in the Google. Okay, they are allowing to show in the Google. So these are the sitemap. They are disallow. See, disallow in the sense this URL is not searching, not allowed in the Google. Disallow this URL also not allowed in the index in the Google. So allow in the sense it's allowed remaining pages. So like that they can give the text. These two URLs are not indexed in Google. HTTPS pixlife.com/login /com.page login. These two URLs are not in Google. Where it acted in disallow. Okay. So like that, we can create this robot text for this. Then XML sitemap. Obviously, for any website, sitemap is needed. Sitemap is to generate what the website is about. Okay, the website has multiple pages. Then what website is exactly about? Those things, with sitemap only you can integrate. For example, you are seeing this developer on rent. So you can see this website to multiple, this Drupal, Angular JS, like that many things will be there. But Google understand only through this page through sitemap only. You just go for this and type /sitemap.xml. So Google understand through only this code only. This code only they can understand. So you need to check for this. This site is having sitemap or not. So that we getting for sitemap checker. So sitemap checker. Here you can check for multiples. You can check for sitemap test is available. You can check this sitemap test. Here you can give this URL. So for Samsung, I think Samsung we can give. Sitemap is having this website. I think this website is not having issue. Okay. Sitemap checker. So we are checking for tools today. It's loading. Just a minute. It's having this sitemap. It's showing this. So you just copy this. If sitemap is available or not, you can check the manually also. Copy this URL and pasting here. Just delete this. So now give the enter. So this is a sitemap for us. Samsung having Africa pages. Samsung having this is Australia pages. Samsung having Berlin like that. They're having multiple countries. Canada, like that they're having multiple country-wise pages also, Europe and also they're having Finland. So these are the country-wise sitemap they're having this. Okay. So Google can understand through various pages like this. Like that you can check for this. For any site you can check for this. The same sitemap you can check for this Pixlab also. It's loading, just a minute. Pixlab, it's going still loading, just a minute. Okay, I think it's more time it will take. Yeah. So finally, Pixlab is having this sitemap. So if you want to check the sitemap, you just copy this and pasting here. So I'm entering here. So it's not opening. I think they're also hiding. I think so. They're having the sitemap, but it's not opening. Yeah, I think they will be hiding. I think better. They would hide the data. I think so. But they're having the sitemap. Okay, like that we need to check the sitemap is updated. Like that you can check for every data. Then site speed. Averagely, site speed is important for every website. Site speed is important. Okay, website speed is important. I always told that website speed is less than 3 seconds. Less than 3 seconds only will be a good speed. Okay, so we can check for the website speed test also here. So here you can check for any other tool. So and Pingdom is a common tool for website speed test. So here you can check for tools. So for Samsung, I'm checking for this. How much page speed for this? Just copy here. Start test. So mostly for 3 seconds or less than 3 seconds, it's a good site speed score. That is a good for search engines to rank. If it more than 3 seconds, we can optimize it. I think it's loading. See, even Samsung also having 3.44 seconds. So we need to reduce at least 44 seconds. Okay, but 44.44 because 3 seconds more than it will be there. If it is less than 3 seconds, it will be better. So like that we can optimize it. So we can check for the split life also. Because site speed is important for every website. This is also used to get ranking in Google. It's loading. Yeah, it's. I think Flex Life is more than 4 seconds. It is too worst because it is 4.35 seconds. The site is taking more time to search in Google. Let's copy this. Yeah, it will take some time. So it will take more time. So we need to reduce the time for this. It's 4.35 seconds will be there. So page speed is important for optimizing this. Okay. Yeah, but how this checking will give us an assurance there is a supporting condition for the health of the SEO in any website. Yeah, actually, these free tools give the audit right that like that how much speed is there, how much title description will be there. So we can correct our website. We can submit our website to the we can submit our document to the website owner. Like that, why it will not rank in Google because of these instructions only. So we just correct it. Later it will be ranked in Google. So based on the suggestions only, we take a next step there. Okay. Many people are creating the websites, but they're not aware of this technical SEO parts and on-page SEO parts. If they're correctly using these parts, then definitely they will be ranking in those regions. Clear? Yeah, Google. Yeah, is web designing also application of digital marketing? Yeah, actually digital. It's additionally web development also. Web development, this activity will take care of web developer only. But we need to find the things. We need to find the errors where will be happen. What is the issue behind this? We need to check that also. Digital marketer, it's work with content writer. Digital marketer works with website designer. Digital marketer works with graphical designer. So he's the managing all things. So these things also they're correcting. For technical SEO, he sits with website developer, then only getting the better output for his website. Clear, Gayatri. Okay. Any other doubts? So like that, the site speed will be there. So site speed plays a major role for getting in this. Okay. Because header tag also used in web designing, that's why I got out. Yeah. Website for any website developer, any pages, heading tags will be added by the developer only. Okay. But the website developer knows the header tag, but they don't know in header tag keywords should be added. Those things will be given SEO person only given the idea for this. Clear. Basically, every web developer creating H1 tag, but they having the no knowledge of adding keywords in the H1 tag. But we should giving ideas to add keywords in the H1 tag. Okay, nice, clear. Okay, okay, guys, take 10 minutes break, then we continue again. 10 minutes break. Okay. Hey students, shall we continue? Yeah, okay. Yes, Subham is asking, okay. We can check all these parameters at a time or any website available for it. Yeah, we can, for any new website, you can check all the parameters, Subham. Okay, then only you get about idea it will be working or not. So any issues in the website, those things only checked for all the parameters you can check. Clear? Okay, I just share the screen. So is my screen is visible, right? It's visible, right? Okay. So site speed, after site speed, we need to check about mobile friendliness. So these things we already explained this, right? Yeah, okay. So mobile friendliness. Mobile friendliness is very important for us because nowadays most of the people searching through mobile only, right? So we can check for any data, the site is mobile friendly or not. So just check for mobile friendly test. So that is need to check. For every website, you need to check for this mobile friendly test. I'm checking for the site. So we take for Samsung, right? We are already taking for Samsung only. So just copy this. So we need to so just give the URL here and start test. It's loading just a minute. And because I think Samsung is a big set, so I think it will take more time. Okay. Okay, we can check for some other sites. Mobile friendly test. It's working on it. Still it's loading. I think both sites are loading. Okay, we'll check for some time. Yeah, this is opening. So see here, the in the mobile it will be optimized. It will be optimized only. It will be showing, but their performance score is 28 only. So it shows that it needs improvement because most of the people are seeing through mobile only. But here their website is not showing properly optimized. It's only 28% only. It is in the red mark. The important reasons: text is too small to read, text size is too small to hard to read. So for mobile, it is not correctly optimized. So we suggest this website to properly optimize for mobile. That is the thing we are clearly explaining here. Okay, so that's why we are optimizing here. Still, it's loading only. I think this timeout it's closed. So we need to check for this. Okay, the other site we got PixLife, right? PixLife or what is this? PixLife? It's correct. Someone is telling this website. Okay, PixLife, correct. So I'm checking for PixLife. So always your mobile optimize will be it's above 70 it will be better. Above 70 or 70 to 80, 80 and above it will be better. If it's below 50, 40 means you need to optimize it. It is mobile friendly, but we need to optimize it because text is not clear and it's not visible to it. See, this is also PixLife also it's around 33 only. The same problem. Text on the page is easy to they said easy to read, but here it's easy to read, but you're having other performance issues. Mobile performance score it's 33 only. Okay, so like that we can check this. So we can always check our site is mobile friendly or not. It is important. So mobile friendliness is very important. Your site is responsive only, then it's optimized for mobile users. That is important. Okay. Then the your site is secure website. our site is always be protected. We always told about HTTPS and HTTP. HTTPS is protected site and HTTP is a non-protected site. Okay. Always you can check for your site is protected or not. So you can check for SSL checker. So SSL checker, secure socket layer. Okay. You can check for SSL checker. The site is protected or not. You can check this data here. So I'm checking for this geosets. So I'm given the Samsung. Okay. For Samsung, I'm checking for this. Okay, they're having SSL server support. That is secured site. So if manually you can go and check that also for Samsung. They're having secured only. Connection is secured. Manually also they will be. Okay. So like that we need to check for every data. The site is protected or not, HTTPS or not. You can check for this. This is the important metric because unauthorized person can hack your passwords like this. So that time you need to optimize like this. So PixLife, I'm checking SSL. So PixLife also it's protected. They're having SSL certificate. Okay, it's valid from May 11, 2025 to August 9, 2025. Okay, it's I think 2 months before only they can apply for a certificate. So May 11 to August 9, 4 months they're having this certificate SSL. Okay, so like that, every you need to check for every site for this SSL is not that. Then 404 errors. 404 errors in the sense broken links errors. Okay, so we need to check for broken link. Any broken link error will be there. You can check for this. So you for type for broken links checker. Just check for broken links checker. So many websites will be there. You can check any of the tools. So here you can give for Samsung. For Samsung, you need to check it. See for the robot perform check. I think yeah, these links are broken links. So these are the broken links actually. They're having broken at some of these links. Previously they're having these links, but now it's not opening here. So these are the broken links for the site. They're having multiple sites. Samsung.com, Samsung.com.uk, Samsung Galaxy Store. Like that, these are the broken links for this. So most of the sites they're having broken links. Okay, you can check for multiple links. So if you check for broken links, this is for another site, but that data is enough. Okay, so if you check for some other sites, you go for another tool also. Every tool having different version, so you can check for some other tools also from broken links. So I'm doing for this tool. Okay, so I'm just copy this and paste it. Sorry. So it's loading. It's checking all the data from this page. So they're loading multiple pages from it. These are the links from. See, it's showing 404, 404, 404. So these are the links are broken links. 404 not phone, bad request, 404 not phone. Actually, 404 is the problem. So it is checking the URLs from different pages. They're having multiple URLs in the Samsung. So from the different pages, it's showing many pages are getting 404. I think one or two pages here it's showing 404 phone. The red, it's already about broken links only. These are all broken links. Okay, the red pointed right, the 404, these are the broken links. 403, 404, bad request, these are all broken links. So for every website like that, we have to see multiple pages will be there. For the broken links instance, you can check for that also. Okay, then canonical tags. Canonical tags, we already tell about this. Canonical tags for every page, we need to check this. So it's pointing to it. If the page have two different URLs pointing to the same page only. If they point to different pages, so that is not canonical is there. So you can checking for canonical checker also be there. So canonical tag checker, canonical tag checker. You can check for this tool. It's canonical is applied or not. You just give for Samsung. I am not a robot and give the perform check. Yeah, they're using this. They're having they're optimized in Canonical. See, this input URL Canonical is there. Okay, so they're using this Canonical. So if you try for different sites, so the Plixleaf also we can try. So it's asking for verification. Sometimes like the verification is also like Google is showing some verification date, so it will happen. So this is perform check. Plixleaf, I think they're having not having canonical tags. So could not resolve host. So they're not having canonical tags. So like that, we need to check for data. Like that, we need to check the data. If anybody work for this Plixlife site, they can ask about the developer to add canonical tags. Okay, that is important here. Then we need to check for redirection also. Any redirection pages will be there for this website. 301, 302. So those also we can check for redirect checking checker. So check for any website and find its 301 is available or 302 is available. Just adding this site. Just analyzing here. If everything is correct, it shows 200. If any redirection is that, so China, yeah, it's showing 200. So this page is correct. There is no issues on the page. So it's 200. If it's redirection to some other page, it shows 301 or 302. It's permanent, it shows 301. It's temporary, it shows 302. So like that, you can check for data also. Rexlife dot com, I think dot com or dot in. Both, yeah. This is also the site is correct. So plixlive.com, its site is correct. So it shows 200 only. So there is no 301 and 302 redirection will be there. Okay, like that we can check for this tool and for this. And structured data is its schema is available on it. That is not need to check. It is only for common data we can check for this. Then off-page SEO audit also we can do. For everything we need for off-page SEO audit. How many backlinks will be there? What is the domain authority? What is the page authority? Those things also we can check for this. First we need to check the backlink profile. Backlink profile in the sense you need to check for backlinks checker. How many backlinks will be there? You need to check for the data. That data is very important. How many backlinks will be there? For every website you can check for this. For example, Samsung here, you can just copy this website. Just pasting here, put in the robot. I think okay. It's loading. See, it's around having 79 million backlinks for us. Okay. For Samsung, they're having 79 million backlinks will be they're having. They're having from backlinks, they're having nearly 364 domains, 364, it's 3 lakhs domains they will be referring there. Okay. So they're having these type of domains, the domains, that type of websites they are connected with. Then domain authority is 100. It's good score. DA is good score. Domain authority is a good score. They're having this much of backlinks, they are getting this. Okay. So for this, we can do for this. So backlink is important for every page. I think someone is asking something. Okay, okay. Screen is not visible. It's visible only, right? Okay. Then anchor text diversity. Anchor text in the sense it's a kind of internal link only. How many text we are having that is the anchor text. Then toxic links. Toxic link in the sense it's a harmful links. Okay, those links which are harmful to us, harmful to search in Google. Okay, that is a toxic links. Okay, then social signals obviously if starts on social media we can check for how many Facebook links will be there, how many Instagram followers will be there, LinkedIn followers. Like that we can check the engagement, how many people liking the post. Like that we can check the manual data. That is a social signals. Then brand mentions in the sense some people we connect with any high quality backlinks that we can high quality brand that we connect to backlinks. That is a brand mention. These are the checklist we not need to check. Social signals we need to check importantly, and backlink profile we need to check, and domain authority page authority we need to check. Okay, like that we can check this. There's a called spam score checker. Okay, so how many toxic in the sense the harmful links, right? So we can check for spam score, how many spam links will be there. So this checker also we can check. It's just for spam score checker, so multiple tools will be there. Here you can give this URL. So I'm checking for Samsung. For I think I'm given for another tool also. Changing for two links. Okay, bridges. Okay. See, they for this website they're having. I think it's taken as a one site. Samsung only it will be taken. So Samsung domain authority is 93. They're having one this much of backlinks will be there. Their spam score is 1% only. Spam score in the sense how many harmful links in the how many toxic links in the website. If it is less than 3%, it will be good. If it is more than 3 or 4%, we need to optimize it. We need to work on this. Okay. If spam score is 1% or 2% or below 4%, it will be okay. If it is more than 4 or 5%, then we need to work on this. So that is also their domain is it's 30 years, 21 days, 218 days. 30 years, 21 days we will be having this. Then page that is 70. The backlink is around 2 lakh. Will be having this. Okay. So like it, Samsung having this data. If you check for Life, wait again coming. Estimates. The mountains. Okay. So Life, it's having domain authority is 28. It will be less only. The spam, but spam score is 1% only. There is no harmful links more than 1%. So it's good only. So like that, we need to check for every site for the spam score links. That is important for this. Okay, that is more important for checking this. Then we need to check for content audit. Content audit in the sense how much relevant will be there. For example, if we're creating the content should be unique. It don't be copied. Always be unique content only. It will be ranking in Google organically. Okay, so we need to checklist for content gap. The first thing is content gap. For example, you find competitors, if any competitors are using the same content and what content they are trying to miss. If you just find the data which are new to the people, then find the content and upload it in your site. So that is important. Then duplicate content in the sense don't copy the other content and post in your site. That is an important thing. Okay, if duplicate content in the sense, there's a tool called Copyscape. So you can check here from your content is original or not. So you can check the content. Okay, copy spec is there. So you can check Copyscape is the famous content. So you can check any URL. This URL is copied or not. You can check for this. So I'm for Samsung. I'm using for this. I'm checking for Samsung. It's showing this for this for the Samsung. It will be what is the difference between Blu-ray disc, DVD. This content is taken from it's showing some other result. One found for Samsung India mobile TV home appliances. Okay, so this is used in some other places also. So it's showing like this. So in Copyscape, it's showing that if the content is copied by some other places, it will be showing here. So here one result found. If no result found means there is no copied content here. So always the content should be unique. That is more important. The content should be more unique. Okay, and also don't use outdated content. For example, currently it's in 2025, so still you are using 2023 that much of content, 22 like that. It's a old content. It means that is also a problem. Always refresh your content and remove the old content. That is the important thing. Then user engagement, bounce rates, for how many time they are spending the time in your site, and average time. This time you can check the basic data. That is also you need to check for this. Okay. Then user experience in the sense completely audit. If you go to any site, how it will be interacting. The site will be very easy to use. If you're searching some other keyword, that keyword related to the site, then it is user friendly. The site looks user friendly. Those things you can check for this. It's navigation, because if you click to any website, that website is it's moving to another page. It will be easy to use like that. It is readability is clear. How it is looks like text is eligible, visible, easily to read like this. So those things we can cover here. These are the basic tech checklist. Then pop-ups in the sense, for example, if you go to any site, click yes or no for this, like they're asking something. So that pop-ups will be check that pop-ups is needed or not. So those things we can check for this checklist. Okay. Then competitor analysis. Competitor analysis is more important for the website. For example, every website need a competitor analysis. You need to check what competitor are used like that. So like that, you are telling for one keyword AdWords keyword planner itself, you can tell, right? So here you go for keyword planner. Here you can check for go to discover new keywords and type start with a website. Here you can give your competitor website. For example, if you want to know what Samsung are ranking in Google, just copy here. Just copy here and put here. Where to store. So you can check what are the keywords ranked for Samsung. You can check here. See, Samsung was ranking for Samsung Flip 5, Samsung Frame, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung Washer. Around 1,203 keywords are ranking for Samsung. Okay, it's around 1,203 keywords ranking for this. Samsung Galaxy Tab S Slide, Galaxy Flip 5, Samsung Washer Dryer, Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, Odyssey G9. Like that, it will be going. Samsung Neo Clud, TV Frame Samsung, Samsung Galaxy Z. This is the date between June 24 to May 25. If you want to search the previous data, also you can check. That is also it is possible. But mostly the last 1 year data is very useful to you, because that only you can check for better thing. See, 900 percentage, 3 month change. 3 month change, year of year change in the sense it's compared to last year. This is last 3 months. I think it is July means May to July. So May to July, most of the people are searching Samsung refrigerator warranty. It's around 900% people are searching like this. Currently, they are searching in India nowadays. So this keyword is very volume, and compared to last year, this keyword is very popular. Frame TV 65-inch. People are searching more. It's compared to last year, this changes. Like that, you can find the keywords. What are the keywords related to this? You can find many keywords here. It's calling it. I'm just taking 100 keywords, but there is 1,200 keywords will be there. If you go to next slide, there will be more keywords will be there. You can find the keywords which are related to this. Like that, you can getting the better. See this. This is the most searcher I think for this Samsung Flip 7 compared to last year. This exactly they're searching more people. Plus 9,900 is a huge percentage. I think Samsung Flip 7 is changing for it's around searches. It is 1K to 10K only, but the rise is very huge compared to last year. This is very huge. So like that we can, and this is 900 percentage. Galaxy Flip Samsung. People are searching this. So this is compared to this year. This will be rise. So like that you can search the keywords related to this. The keyword is it's more. Checklist topic is very important. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So like that, you can use this data for competitor analysis. Only you can use this data. So for competitor analysis, you can choose keyword analysis, what keyword they are using, then what backlink they are using, then what content they are using for the strategies. So these things we can check here. For every website, we need to check this data. These type of data only they're getting the better idea. Then you want to improve the site. Once this correcting this data, then definitely your site also be ranking in Google. Okay, then analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting in a sense, yesterday we can discuss about yesterday last class we discussed about analytics, Google Analytics and Search Console. Some people comes to your website, then you can see the data, then you can check for the data about if Google Analytics is every website is having Google Analytics or not. If you go to Google and check for the website is having Google Analytics checker, just check for Google Analytics checker. So the website is having Google Analytics or not. You need to check for the data also. It is important for this. So if you just go to here and just any sites you can check. I just go to this website. I think it's not loading. Okay. So just copy this Samsung. So Samsung is having Google Analytics or not. You need to check here. So it's loading because every site must have Google Analytics. So only we can getting this. I think. Here it's not coming. Just wait a moment. We can go for some other site. Okay, we can use for this site. Okay, here you can check. So here you can check the website is having Google Analytics or not. It's working or not. The site is not working. Since most of the tools are not working. Okay, site checker. We can check this too. Sometimes this may happen, but after we can for this same tool. So you can give this and check for Google Analytics. Yeah, there is no Google Analytics here. We couldn't detect the Google Analytics code. So Samsung, I think I don't know why this big, the larger website have not having analytics. I think better they are having some other tool. I think regarding to Google Analytics, there will be very paid tool also will be there. So I think for larger websites they are trying to that tool also. But Google Analytics is not there. So like that we can check for this. The Google Analytics is having or not. You can check this. Okay, and we can check for Google Search Console. Google Search Console only you can check for only access only you can check. Then KPIs. Yesterday we discussed about some KPIs, right? What authority will be there, like that. Organic traffic, domain authority, like that. That KPIs also we need to check this. Okay, then tools mostly for this. There will be many tools will be there. Tools extension tools in the sense like we can using for digital marketing tools. Many keyword planner, SEMrush, AHRF. Many keyword tools you can suggest. Right, using tools, many tools only we can getting the better access for this. Extensions in the sense in previous classes we are using for this Chrome extension, right? Like this Lighthouse Chrome extension. So using these extensions we are generating for report and getting the data right. So like that extensions also plays a major role for getting any updates about sites. You can check for this. Okay, so these are the category for this. For SEO auditing, usually there will be multiple tools will be there like Spider, Deep Crawl, Google Search Console like this. On-page SEO, mostly for Yoast SEO, SEO Optimal will be there. Keyword research, keyword planner like this. Technical SEO, Google Page Speed Insights like that we are having. And Copyscape, content analyzer. Hotjar is a tool we can check the data, how many people in the site, what they are doing, in which page they are going. The live data we can track from Hotjar. So those time we can. Then analytics and reporting, Google Analytics. Competitor analysis we go for Google Keyword Planner itself better. So these are the basic. There are many keywords will be there, but such suggestions they give some importance here. Okay, so these are the aid for Semrush. Semrush having this. I think I'm already showing this tool, Semrush Magic Keyword Tool. So this is the interface for the Semrush Magic Keyword Panel. If you go to this Semrush Keyword Magic Tool, here also you can get. This is a famous tool for this. Most of the industries are using this, but this is a paid tool. So click this tool will be coming. This is the interface for this. So you can search keyword, it will be coming. So this is the interface for Semrush. Okay, so like that, this is the interface. Then extension, you can add extension like this. So already I'm showing right. If you go to any extension, you can add it here. So I'm adding extension here only. So for that only I'm having this screenshot. That's all I think. Most of the extensions are clear this only. Got it. So this is Chrome and extensions, and finally we end of the topic. Okay, clear. Understood. Any doubts in this? Clear. If any doubts, you can ask now. Okay. Clear. Okay. Checklist topic is very interesting. Yes, sir. Clear. Okay. 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 If clear, then I will move to the knowledge checking questions. Okay. 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 So knowledge checking questions we are moving. Just answer it. What does an XML sitemap do? What does an XML sitemap do? Answer. B. Okay. B. Okay. More answers. More answers. B. B. Okay. B. B. Okay. Okay. More people are telling B. Okay. More answers. More answers. Okay. B. B. Okay. Yeah. Can reveal the answer. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay. Which tool is primarily used to detect broken links on a website? Any guess? A. A. Okay. A. Okay. A. C. A. Okay. Most of people doing A. One more answers. More answers. A. Okay. A. Okay. Oh, question. Question, please. I missed it. Okay. I will again share this. Which tool is primarily used to take broken links on a website? Okay. A. B. Okay. B. A or B. Okay. So most of people telling A, B. Okay. More answers. More answers. B. Okay. B. Aisha is telling B. Snega is telling B. Okay. A. B. Think many confusion between A and B only. Okay. A. Maitri is telling A. Yasvi is telling B. Daswa is telling C. Okay. Different answers from Daswa. B. Okay. Okay. B. Derek is telling D. Okay. Canva. Okay. 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 It's B. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can reveal the answer. It's A is the right answer. Okay. A F. Okay. A F is the right answer. Some people are telling B, some people are telling D. Okay. AHL is the right answer. Okay. See, okay. What is the ideal page load time for good SEO performance? Okay. Okay. ये ये ओके ये 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 ओके Baswa is telling C. Okay. ये ये okay. This thing is telling Screaming Frog is also a tool for SEO auditing where we can check for broken links. Yeah, but actually, AHRFs you are getting the detailed tool, right? Screaming Frog, it's completely for it's not only for broken link tool. We can check for AHRF only, Devaki. Okay, 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 Sam. Okay. So, most of people are telling, okay, okay. So I can reveal the answer. Answer is A only. 1 to 2 seconds is the good performance for load time. Okay. What is the primary purpose of title tag? B B B B B B. Okay. B B. Okay. Okay. B. Okay. More answers. More answers. Sam is telling C, okay. B, 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 okay. B, okay. Okay, B, 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 okay. More people are telling B. So the answer is B only. To summarize the page content for search engine and users. So next question. Which of the following best describes keyword stuffing? Any idea for this? Keyword stuffing. B, 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 C, B, 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 C, B and C. Okay. B, C, B, okay. C, B, B. Smita is telling D. Chinmay is telling B. Kavana is telling B. Muralidhar is telling C. Asmita is telling C. Muralidhar C. Rujula B. Stuti B. B. Chinmay B. Snega B. Anuswa C. Okay. Swayam B. Okay. Okay. B or C. B. C. Okay. Okay. I can reveal the answer. Overusing keywords naturally to manipulate rankings. Okay. So keyword stuffing in the overuse of keywords. Keyword stuffing. So B is the right answer. Which header tag should be used for main title of the web page? I expecting more answers. D, A, A, D, D, B, D, 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 okay. D, 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 okay. H1, sorry, no, D, okay. Okay. D, 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 D. More answers, more answers. Okay. Yeah, I can reveal the answer. D is the right answer. H1 tag is the right answer. Okay. Next question. Which tool can help analyze a website's backlink profile? B, 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 B. Kavana's telling D, okay. B, 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 okay. Sam is telling C, okay. B, B. Musa is telling B. Kalyan is telling B, okay. 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 B, B, okay. Okay, B, B, okay. B, 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 okay, B. Okay. More people are telling B. B is the right answer. AHRF is the right answer. Okay. Next question. What is a toxic backlink? B, 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 B. Okay. B. Okay. B, B, B. Okay. Okay. B. Free to uh, B. Okay. For backlinks checker, there's a free tool also will be there, Devagi. You can check. Then just type Google backlink checker. Many free tools also coming instead of AHRF. Okay. Yeah. B, 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 B. Okay. I think most of the people telling B only. One or two telling a different answer. Okay. Yeah. Toxic backlink that harms your website SEO performance. Okay. So B is the right answer. Correct. Which tool is commonly used to check for duplicate content? ये 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 Dhanus is telling A or C. Yeah, that's good. Okay. A B. Sam is telling B. Okay. Okay. ये Okay. ये is the right answer. ये okay. ये Okay. Actually, I revealed the answer. A is the right answer. But Semrush also they're having the option. But actual tool is Copyscape. But in some cases, Semrush also suit because Semrush is the combination of all tools. Okay. Okay. Then next question: what is the main focus during a content audit? This is the last question. B B B B B B. Okay. B B B B or C B B B. Okay. So question again. Okay. What is the main focus during a content audit? B B B B B B or C. Dhanush is telling B or C. Okay. B Sam is telling A. Okay. More answers for this. B, 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 okay. I guess the answer B, okay. Sam is telling B. More answers. B, 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 okay. Okay. Yeah, B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Okay. So one last question. I'm just asking for this. What is the full form of SSL? SSL. Yes, yes, L. What is the full form of SSL? Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Secure socket layer, secure, okay. Okay, okay. Vivek is still socket layer. Okay, secure socket layer, okay. Secure socket layer. Secure socket layer. Okay. Okay. Okay, yes, okay. Okay, yes. Thank you, thank you. Nice answers, nice answers. How was the today's session? Great session. Today's session was really interesting, full of knowledge. Glad to know so many tools. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha. Okay, fine, good and excellent. Okay. Thank you. It's mind blowing, students. Thank you. Okay. Informative session, Janvi. Thank you. Good and helpful, very informative session, excellent. Class and I love the class. Thank you. Great session. Thank you. Learned so many things. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, students. Thank you, Study. It was helpful. That was not informative and engaging. Thank you for making it so clear. Thank you, Anissa. Thank you. Okay, okay. Nice teaching. Thank you, Ganesha. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Then, valuable information. Thank you, Stuti. Okay, then thank you. We meet on Monday. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank
So,
you.
dear students, I already shared the attendance link. I'm sharing that once again. So, please mark your attendance. Saturday, Sunday, there will be no any classes. So, we'll meet you on Monday directly.